Can't afford Adobe Premiere Pro or tired of watermark-filled laggy editors? Here are the best free video editors in 2025, 100% free, easy to use, and powerful enough for YouTube. First on the list is CapCut for PC, completely free, no watermark, and perfect for beginners. It comes with built-in transitions, auto-captions, AI tools, and more. If you've used it on mobile, the PC version will feel familiar. But if you're from India, CapCut might be blocked for you. Don't worry though, the next editors on this list are just as powerful or even better. At number 2, we have DaVinci Resolve, a professional-grade video editor that's 100% free. This is the same software used by movie editors in Hollywood. You get advanced color grading, visual effects, audio mixing, and much more. And honestly, in many cases, it's even better than Adobe Premiere Pro, especially for color grading and VFX. Yes, it needs a decent PC to run smoothly, but if you're serious about editing, DaVinci Resolve is a beast. Perfect for YouTubers, short film makers, and creators who want total control. At number 3, we have Shotcut, a completely free open-source video editor that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. There's no watermark, no locked features, and no need to pay for anything. The interface is clean and customizable, and it supports 4K editing, keyframes, green screen, and more. If you're new to video editing, Shotcut is a great starting point. It's simple enough to learn quickly, but still powerful enough to create professional-looking videos. It's a solid middle ground between basic and pro-level tools. So that was my list of the best free video editors in 2025, all without watermarks and perfect for beginners and pros. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for Adobe Premiere Pro for free, check out my very first video, links in the description and right here on the screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PC software tips every week, only on PC Unlock.